I'm sorry to interrupt, but I know I said you have to watch part one, but can I try and give a synopsis of what the hell we're talking about for people, and you correct me whatever I'm wrong about? Okay, so my understanding of this formula is there's at least four goals of it. Number one, to replenish zinc. Number two, to detoxify copper. Number three, to get out iron and potentially other heavy metals. And number four, to replenish any of the other vitamins that are low. Is that a fair summation of the goals of it?
I would say so. Basically, I mean, the overall goal that this is accomplishing, like all of that together, is accomplishing DNA repair. Is the theory, and so that increased zinc retention is going to cause. I don't even know how it does it in the body. I'm not that deep into the science of it yet, but I do know that increased zinc retention is causing your aromatase, or not aromatase, and well, that too, but your telomerase production to increase, which causes the little telomeres on the end, of just little strands on your DNA, to be healthier theoretically. But there's a lot of research to say, EGCG and zinc, the combo of the two, increases that production. They don't necessarily know why, I think. I'm not sure if they've figured that out that far yet, but that the problem is no one's ever been able to take enough EGCG and zinc together to really experience any sort of benefit from that. But I think this is the way to do it. So
Well,
that's
the funny thing is, so I've talked a few times to Dr. Miriam about this, and I actually talked to her about it on an episode. It'll be out by the time this comes out, but I don't think it's aired yet. And near the end of it, she was giving this was like her favorite anti-aging advanced longevity strategies. And I asked her right at the end of the episode, I said, what are your top three longevity strategies? And like her second one was EGCG. And I was like, where did that come from? Is that by any chance because of this formula that I introduced you to? And she said, yeah, actually. And so she, one of the many things she's certified in is this wall system that basically, says that most people are zinc deficient, just like, and his was not based on just theorizing. He was based on evaluating the test results of thousands of people, and he saw that out of people who had mental health issues, over 90% of them were severely zinc deficient. So she's always trying to help people top up their zinc. And anyway, she said that a lot of the time the problem is when people take zinc, they become nauseous. And so giving them the EGCG as well, like prevented them from being nauseous and let them be able to handle more zinc, which then helped to relieve their symptoms. So I just said we talked afterwards. I said that's great, but you need to have the molybdenum as well and the vitamin. like you got to get, if you're getting your patients to do high dose of EGCG and zinc, you're going to kind of get them to do everything else as well. Otherwise, there will eventually be problems. So maybe we can persuade her of that in this episode, Jacob, if she ends up listening to it. And what is the formula? So we've kind of talked about it. Zinc, EGCG, molybdenum, vitamin C, vitamin B5, B6, B7. So those are the seven components. So yes, please go for it.
yeah.